Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I've got a puzzle that SpeedCubeShop sent me, the long-awaited Rubik's brand 2x2. Now, if you're in the speed solving community, this isn't a long-awaited one, but I'm curious what this is, because the 3x3 that is the Rubik's Speed is Swift Block, which is a sub-brand of GaNCube. And if all that seemed like nonsense, just ignore that for right now and just know that Rubik's has been working with another company to make some of their puzzles now, to make different versions. I never know how to open these things. I'm just going to open it from the bottom. And let's go through this. Now, after this, I think I'm going to make a new 2x2 beginner video. It's been almost a decade since I've made one, and I kind of have a different plan now of what I like to do. Okay, a couple things though with this. Let's look at this, get this plastic off. The colors are the same colors as the Rubik's version of that Swift Block with the darker yellow. And I like that. I like that darker yellow. Sometimes the fluorescent one can be a bit too bright, and I don't know, just get a little mixed up when the lighting situation is weird. Looking at the center, that is definitely GaN. What size? Okay, well, just very light, not magnetic. This version isn't. Don't know if there is a magnetic version. The 3x3 is magnetic. Well, battery's dead. There we go. Almost 51. This is modeled off of their GaN 351, it looks like. 251. Not 351. But no magnets. I mean, it turns fine. A little bit clicky. Let's do a couple solves. Wow, it's been a while. I'm going to try something. There we go. Yeah, and then how do I do this again? This was like... Yeah, there we go. I have a lot of fun with 2x2 doing CLL, but I still don't really care to get faster at it. Drop my times quite a bit from using Ortega method. Let's see here. Blue's pretty good, I think. Man, I'm a bit lost here of what to do. Ooh, I guess I could do that. There we go. And then this. Nope, did the wrong one. Okay, well, I need to practice that. But it works pretty well. I wish it had magnets to make it a little more stable. I like the size of it. It's a little bit clacky, but some lubrication will help with that, and we'll talk about that in a second. But 0.6 and 0.8, there's little numbers on here. And what that means is how far this centerpiece can move away from the core. So 0.6 is, I believe, 0.6 centimeters, so 6 millimeters from the core. So 0.8 is more, which will make it stretch and flex more. I don't think it needs it. As far as lubrication goes, lubrication, as long as it's 100% silicone fluid, it's fine. Won't damage anything. With that said, things from SpeedCubeShop will be fine. This is their jack-o'-lantern lubrication that has a nice pumpkin spice scent. They only have that around October. And that'll just quiet it up a little bit. Not a ton. I feel like it needs quite a bit to quiet it up because there's a lot of place for that lubrication to be, but a bit better. Rubik's 2x2, for finding it in a store, it's fine. If you want to get a little bit nicer one, let me just see what it is at SpeedCubeShop right now, because that's where I got it. So it is currently $17.95. That is too much. So let's see here. Let's see what their 2x2s are right now. As far as magnetic, we're going to say getting a magnetic one. We have the Yupo for $7. That one's shaped a bit odd. The Meilong for $8. The Diamond Shink for $8. Little Magic for $8. Yeah, for half the price, I would go and just get one of those. The MGC, the Chi M Pro. Those are all fine. The MGC seems to have the most reviews. VinCube has one. Chi M Pro is the one that I kind of like as far as the price range and all of that fun stuff. And actually, the GAN 251 version 2 is cheaper than the Rubik's brand, and that's what this is modeled off of. So if you want a GAN type puzzle, oh, that's non-magnetic. Yeah, get the, oh, my wrist cracked. Get the Chi M Pro. It's less than half the price. You get it from SpeedCubeShop, link in the description. Definitely worth it. This one, if you found this in the store and like you were just shopping locally and you saw this, it'll get someone interested. I don't think someone really cares if there's magnets if they've never had them in their queue before. We didn't have magnets in puzzles until just recently, just the past, I don't know, 7 years or so. I don't know when that started. But yeah, so if you're just seeing this, definitely worth to get going. It's a quality product, but if you're going to go online and buy it, link in the description, spend about half that amount. So thank you much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for content like the future, and as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.